Hi students, welcome to week 5. We've passed the halfway mark of the quarter, unbelievably. Summer quarter is just so fast. And I want to focus on just the main assignments this week, so you can see that I'm in the assignments at a glance page. Our week 5 grammar assignment is, the chapter is on time shifts and tenses. So this is a really wonderful chapter that shows you how you can signal and in your mind learn which tense to use by learning the signal words that are associated with the different tenses, okay? It's a very powerful chapter. And how do you shift tenses? And how do you check for when you shift and you shouldn't shift, all right? We can talk about that maybe in the Zoom session if you like. The second discussion board on the architecture chapter seems very similar to the first one, but the focus isn't on just buildings. It's on your favorite structure in the world and why it's your favorite structure. Now that could be anything. It could be a house, it could be a dam, it could be a bridge. Okay, you're going to take your vocabulary quiz 2, which is on the 2 vocabulary powers in the second unit on architecture. So you will definitely want to have those finished before you take the test on Thursday to Sunday, okay? You're going to take your second 100-point reading quiz, which is on the second reading in Unit 2. So it's on the second reading about the Hoover Dam. Please very carefully read and annotate that article. Otherwise, it's just impossible to be successful on these real quizzes because they're difficult, okay? And another really big thing that we're doing this week is we're starting our second writing test. All of you should have turned in and received my feedback on your first one, but again, this is a 2-week process. So let's take a look here. The main thing that you're going to be doing this week is by Monday of week 6, which is August 3rd, you're going to download this article called Gestural Communication, okay? And you're going to read and annotate it and send me upload your annotations as the step 1 in the summary writing process, okay? So let's just take it step by step. It's very similar to what we just completed, but please pay careful attention to the source and each step as we do it, okay? So, again, we'll take it through drafting, and I will review, and then you can correct your errors and respond to my feedback and finally produce a final draft. Okay, so that's really pretty much it for the week. As usual, you've got your extra credit and your open discussion, and I do appreciate that you've been participating. Okay, thank you. That's it.